Hello, good morning, good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, good evening. If this is your evening, you're welcome to our live class. Wherever you are, please getting ready to join this class now. This is the agreed time, and we are set to start this class now. So wherever you are, you're a member of this channel, it's good you begin to join this class now. Before then, let's do some little intro, or let me say, let's um, do something that will benefit some of us here who are members already. So please, let's come into the class now without wasting time. Waiting for you to join up now. Yes. Waiting for you to join up. Waiting for you to join up. Yes. Waiting for you. Begin to join this class now. Wherever you are, we are expecting you to begin to join the class now. The class will start any moment from now. So we are expecting you to start joining up now. If you're a member of the channel, wherever you are, I expect you to be joining now. The scheduled time is 2 p.m. So in 5 minutes time, this class will start in full. So it's good. You begin to join now. Yes. Begin to join now. Begin to join now. Wherever you are, you are welcome to live class. This is the Igbo Tutor Live. So wherever you are, and you're a member of this channel, because this is specially meant for members of this channel. If you are not a member of this channel, you do well to join our membership to be part of these special live classes. But if you are a member already, congratulations. All you need to do is to begin to join class now so that we can begin without delay. Yes. If you're a member of the channel, join our class now. Join the class now. We are waiting for you to join up. Yes. The class will start in 5 minutes time. So the earlier we join, the better for all of us. Yes. Join the class now. Join the class now. We are waiting for you to join the class now. Yes. Waiting for you to join up. Join up. Join up. Join up. Class is starting in 5 minutes. Class will start in 5 minutes. So be joining up now. Yes. Be joining now. Be joining now. Join up, join up, join up. Join up, join up, join up. Join up. I want to share my window, but it's not displaying yet. I don't know why. I don't know why the window is not showing. I expect it to display. I expect it to show what is the problem with the window. It's not showing. It's not displaying. Yes, let's be joining now. Let's join now. Let's join now. Let's join now. Waiting for you to join. Waiting for you to join. Waiting for you to join this class now. Waiting for you to join now. So I don't know why this system is not showing. The window is not displaying for me to share. Yes. Please be joining this class now. I'm waiting for you to come on board. Any moment from now, this class is starting. Join up. The Igbo tutor is live, waiting for you to join up. Window is not displaying for me to share. I don't know what is the problem. I want to share this window, but it's not coming up. It's not coming up for sharing. What is the matter? What is the matter? It's not coming up for sharing. Only the entire screen is available for sharing, which is not exactly what I wanted. Okay. If I share the entire screen, will that serve my purpose? Let me try that out. Is that serving the purpose? Okay. Somehow it's serving. Okay. Let me see how that goes. I want to share the entire screen. Okay, it's out. Yeah, we're back. I believe those of you who are around, you listen to those broadcasts, and they are meant to guide us because we discovered that most of us have not really taken advantage of all we need to have as PEC in this membership scheme. So Joy Onyebuchi has done that already. Princess has done that. You're welcome to class. No. But I think others that will be coming around need to also, hear that and take advantage of that accordingly. So I have in the class Joy Onyebuchi Ndewo. I have Princess Ezenwa. No. Where are the rest? I hope they're going to join up any moment from now so we don't waste much time, before we begin fully because we are already behind schedule by 7 minutes. But I did this broadcast because I think it's important because most of us have not actually taken advantage of those things they need to do to, maximize the benefit of their membership. That's why I deemed it fit to replay this record and then guide us accordingly. Unfortunately, those who are in class to listen to that are already have already, done all I'm explaining. Nedum, Nedum is here. Okay, Nedum, I thought you said you wouldn't be in the class. It's good you are here. I don't know. Maybe you have sorted out your issues. You were taking permission earlier on that you will not be in class, but it's good you are here now. No. So I have Nedum, I have Joy, I have Princess. Where are the rest? Anyway, we hope the rest will join us, but we will not wait. We will take off with the class in earnest because it's not good to keep those of you who are here, who are on time, waiting while the rest are doing something else, possibly in their houses. That will not be fair. So we're going to start the class right away. So I want to say no once again to all of you, especially the early bird, Joy Onyebuchi. You're welcome. You beat Hannah to first position today. Hannah used to come first. I hope she comes around. She normally comes first to class. But today, Joy Onyebuchi is the winner. She's the one that came in first before, okay, Princess came in. And then I have Nedum coming in. Nedum, what happened? Okay, I made it. Yeah, you made it. Okay, I was just wondering whether you were able to finish what your dad asked you to do, but I'm happy to see you in class. Clement Emehe, you're welcome to class. There you go. I'm expecting more. If you are already in class, please drop your greetings. That is the best way we can know you are in the class. Drop your greetings so that we can all flow together. No, of course, as you know, we began a new series last week, which is a market conversation, and it started very well. I want to also ask if I'm audible enough before I continue. Am I audible enough? Can everybody hear me very well? If I am, please confirm before we go on. Am I audible? Okay, Nedum say I'm audible enough. Yeah, there you go. Oh, Kenny Alice. Wow, Kenny, you come to class today. Nice to see you in class. Kenny. That's one of our new students. I'm also expecting, what is the name of that young lady? Favor. I'm expecting Favor to be here. They are our latest students or members that joined the class. So let's welcome Kenny to class. Expecting that Favor will also follow suit. All right. So Kenny, welcome. Kenny said no. Okay, you have already said Dewo. So we are already, going on with market conversation series. We began last week and we're continuing from there. Okay. So in last week we stopped at um, we stopped at a particular sentence. So who will remind us of the last sentence we had last week in our market conversation? Yes, One person should remind us of that. Who will do that for us? What was the last sentence we, considered in our market conversation last week? Who will remind me? Remind us. Just type it there. Who will remind us of the last sentence? Biko Zotaram O2. Very correct. Joy, you are correct. Oh. Very, very correct. Joy is very correct. Biko Zotaram O2. That was the last sentence we made in our last discussion. Then let's continue from there. The person, you are telling somebody who is in the market, Biko Zutaram O2. Of course, we say that means please buy one for me. I think we all got that as at last week. But the person you are talking to, that you are requesting should buy one for you, had a request. Okay? What did he say? The person said, Ndo egom ezughị ya. Ndo egom ezughị ya. Okay? That is the response from that person. Ndo egom ezughị ya. Can we write that? The person you asked to buy something for you that is already in the market, you ask him to buy one thing for you, and the response he gave you is Ndo egom ezughị ya. Okay. Clement Emehe say he's driving. Ana m anya ụgbọala m. Gee ntị. Okay. Ana m ege ntị. That's what you should say. Ana m ege ntị. I'm listening. Not gee ntị. Okay. But you tried. Ndo ego m ezu ya. Okay. Nedum have written. I'm waiting for the rest. Ndo ego m ezu ya. Nedum has written. Joy wrote Ndo egom ezu ya. Okay. I said Ndo egom ezu ya. Let me see. More responses. I believe Princess should get this perfectly well. Princess, where are you? Okay. Nedu has come in. Princess has written Ndo egom ezu ya. Okay. Almost the same thing. Okay. What is Alex saying? Kenny. Okay, Nake is into the class. Nake, no. Welcome to class. Odemma, Kaigani. Nake, the sentence we are considering is Ndo egum ezuya. Ndo egum ezuya. We ask somebody to buy something for us from the market, and the person say Ndo egum ezuya. Wow. Kenny Alice, wonderful. I like your response. Wow. Okay, Nake, are you saying something before we mark the script? Yes, Nake has written Ndo egom ezuya. Good enough. Two people that came in last got the sentence perfectly well. Ndo egom ezuya. Let's have it displayed as we normally do. Okay, Ndo egom ezuya. Okay. Ndo egom ezuya. This is the answer. Actually, can we all see that? Can we all see that? Ndo egom. Oh, so egom agaghị ezuya. Oh, okay, but I said egom ezuya. So those who wrote egom ezuya was correct. Ndo egom agaghị ezuya. But I said Ndo egom ezuya. So I'm taking the response of Nnake. So this my sentence is not exactly what I said. So Nnake's response was more appropriate, and Kenny Alex, I didn't know I wrote Ndo egom agaghị ezuya. I thought I wrote Ndo egom ezuya. Okay, it's egom agaghị ezuya. Okay. So what is the difference between the two? Between Ndo egom ezuya and Ndo egom agaghị ezuya. Let's even look at that. This one on the screen is Ndo egom ezuya. Sorry. Okay. I don't need to interpret. Let's see who gets the interpretation. Write it in the chat. What do you think this means? Write in the chat. Let me know interpret. Write in the chat. Ndo egom ezuya. What does it mean? Let me not answer the question. What does this mean? We want to compare the two sentences, the one written by Kenny Alles and Nake family, and the one on the screen. There are a little bit different between the two. I said in do egom ezuya, which is what they wrote in the chat, correct. But what I display is in do egom agaye ezuya. So first, let's say the meaning of ndo egom ezuya. Can we say the meaning? Yes. Who will help us out? What is the meaning of that sentence? Ndo egom ezuya. What does it mean? Sorry, my money is not enough. That's what Kenny said. Nedum, sorry, my money cannot buy it. Good one. Princess, sorry, my money does not buy it. Good one. Nake, sorry, my money can't buy it. Great answers. So, what is my own answer? What is my own position here? My own is sorry. Okay. My money will is not will, is not enough for it. Okay? Ezui is not enough. Sorry, my money is not enough for it. Ezui, if I say ozuru, it means it's enough. It went around. Ozui is not complete. So it is sorry, my money is not enough for it. Okay? That is the perfect answer. So those who wrote, my money cannot buy it, you tried. Okay, somebody said, sorry, my money is not enough. That is Kenny Alles. Almost close to that. Except that he didn't put for it. If he had added, sorry, my money is not enough for it, that would have been very perfect and okay. But he stopped at not enough. Okay? Okay, so that's good. So Ezui is not enough. Yes, Nedum, that is true. That is what it is. Ezui is not enough. Okay. Now, what about the one on the screen? Ndo egoma gayezu. What is the difference? What does the one on the screen mean? Ndo egom agai ezuya. What does that one mean? The one we explained is my money is not enough for it. What about the one on the screen? What does it stand for? Okay, what does the one on the screen say precisely? Ndo egum agai ezuya. What does that one mean precisely? So that we can decide the difference between the two. Okay, on the screen, sorry, money will not go buy it. Mbano. Nake, check your sentence. It's not very okay. So any other trial? Let's try more. Ndo egum agaye zuya. Okay, they do sorry. My money cannot go and buy it. Okay, good effort. Nake again. I don't have enough money for it. Good effort. Good effort, Joy. Sorry, my money will not enough for it. That's better. That's better. Kenny, sorry, my money will not be enough to buy it. Okay, that's good. That's good. All of you tried. I think Kenny is almost closer. It is sorry, egom, my money, agayezuya will not be enough. Is that enough? Enough for it? Yes. Sorry, my money will not be enough for it. The difference between this and the other one is that The other one is direct. My money is not enough. Ego mezuya is not enough for it. This one say agayezuya will not be enough. Future will not be enough. Agai ezuya. That is just the difference. Sorry, my cannot buy it. It's not really cannot, but will not be enough. Agayezu will not be enough for it. That's great. We all try. He now said again, since his money is not enough to buy it now, he now say, Agam azụtara gị ya mgbe ọzọ. Let me be sure what I wrote here. Agam azụtara gị ya. Yes, correct. Ọ sị, Agam azụtara gị ya mgbe ọzọ. Agam azụtara gị ya mgbe ọzọ. Let's go. Agam azụtara gị ya mgbe ọzọ. Let's write that. Agam azụtara gị ya mgbe ọzọ. Let's write that sentence the way I said it. Agam azụtara gị ya mgbe ọzọ. Okay, Nedu means in, doctor. Agam azụtara gị ya mgbe ọzọ. Great work. Kenny. Agam azụtara gị ya mgbe ọzọ. Great. Great. These guys are hot. Who is coming in? Nake. Agam azụtara gị ya mgbe ọzọ. Let me look at you. Azụtara gị ya. Okay. A little bit error there. Okay. 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 I think somebody is still leading the pack. Princess. Agam azụtara gị ya mgbe ọzọ. Let me see. A little error. I'm still seeing a little error there. But one person is almost close. Almost close. Yes. Agam azụtara gị ya mgbe ọzọ. Anybody still coming in before we mark? Anybody still coming in? We're about to mark now. Agam azụtara gị ya mgbe ọzọ. Where is Dr. Blahi? Where is your response? I know you are in class already. Okay, Dr. Blahi, I know you are in class already. Okay. What did you say? Send. Okay. Okay, we are moving on. Joy said, Agam azụtara gị mgbe ọzọ. Good effort. Good effort. Okay. What does it say? More than one injection is in the primary area. Okay. Okay. Now we have it done. Nake wrote, Agam azụtara gị ya mgbe ọzọ. Great work. Great work. Let's see. Let's mark. Most of you got this right. Most of you got it right. Sure. Most of you got it right. So let's mark our script now. Yes. Most of you got it right. Can we see it now? Can we see it now? Yes. Can we all see it? Please mark your script now. Mark your scripts. Mark your scripts accordingly. If you know you deviated from this, you correct yourself now. But most of you got it. Some of you, the only error in your own is that you didn't put dot under you in azutara. That is just the error in some of your responses. Dr. Blahi also tried agam azutara giya bozo. Please look at the sentence on the screen and pinpoint where you made mistake. Either dot under I, dot under you, or dot under the O's. You will surely find where you made a mistake, where a little error existed. But most of you got the answer correctly. Most of you. Yeah, that's great one. I believe we have all done a correction. Now, where necessary. Okay. Now, the person you are talking to say, let me stop this one. Oh, okay. Let me stop this one first. The person you are talking to now say, oh, the ma echefulaya. Oh, we didn't say the meaning of agama zotaragi yambozo. Sorry about that. Can we decode that one now? Agam azotaragi yambozo. Let's decode that. What does that mean? Agam. Okay, Nake is in already. I will buy it for you next time. Perfect. Perfect. Joy. I will buy it for you next time. Perfect. You guys are too much. That is exactly what that means. Okay? That is exactly what that means. So, and the person you're talking to now said, Oh, dimma, echefula ya o. Oh, dimma, echefula ya o. Can we write that now? Oh, dimma, echefula ya o. Ah, Eho Anna is not in class today. I hope no problem. Where is our senior student, senior family member, Anna? She's not in class today. I hope to see her join class soon. Okay. The sentence is a response from the person you're talking to. Oh, dimma, echefula ya o. Nedum is in already. Nedum, you are smart. Very smart. Dr. Nedum, doing well. Okay. Oh, dimma, echefula ya o. Let's go. Nedum is in. Who else is coming in? Kenny. Oh, dimma, echefula ya o. Great work. Nnake family. Oh, dimma, echefula ya o. Great. Joy Onyebuchi. Oh, dimma, echefula ya o. Great work. I love that. Who else is coming in? Who else is coming in? Remember to hit the like button for this live session. Please hit the like button. If you think we are doing the right thing we should do, hit the like button. It might be below or above your screen. Be sure to hit the like button. Don't send like emoji in chat. I say the like button for the live stream. That is what I'm talking about. Okay. All the ma. Okay. Echefula ya o Joy Onyebuchi. Great work. Okay. Dr. Blahi, you are answering the question we have already passed. I will buy it for you next time. That's correct. But we have already moved on from that. Maybe your network is lagging small. Okay. All of you tried. Oh, dimma. Echefula ya o. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have. Whether you got it right or not, let's see. But I think you all got the right things. I think you all got the right things. I think so. This is what we got. So let's mark our screen. Mark our scripts. If you have written anything different from this, you have that means it's not correct. Dr. Blahi or the HF, Dr. Look at the screen and correct yourself. Look at the screen. I believe there are little errors in your own. So look at this screen and see where you have missed it and pick the correction. Okay? Do it now. Any other person that needs to do correction should look at the screen. Do your correction now before we move on to the next sentence. Okay? Okay, let's go. Are we done with that? Are we done with that? We're moving on to the next sentence. After this guy said, "Oh, demma, echefula o," the friend now says, next sentence now. Nsogbu adịghị, ezigbo enyi m. Nsogbu adịghị, okay, we've not done the meaning of this. Thank you, Nnake, for reminding me. Okay, it's fine. Don't forget it. Oh, that's correct. That is what it means exactly. Thank you, Nnake, for reminding me. We need to say the meaning. Princess too, you have done well for reminding me. It's fine. Don't forget it. That's the correct meaning of that sentence. Odema echefulaya o. It's fine. Don't forget it. Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you for doing that for us. We move on to the next sentence. I have already given the next sentence, which is nsogbu adịghị, ezigbo enyi m. Nsogbu adịghị, ezigbo enyi m. Let's go. Nsogbu adịghị, ezigbo enyi m. Nsogbu adịghị, ezigbo enyi m. Let's go. Write what I've said. So what is the parent verb for echefula? Nedu. The parent verb is chefuo. Chefuo. I'm answering Nedu now. Parent verb for echefula is chefuo, forget. Chefuo, forget. So don't forget it's echefula. Okay? Okay, is that clear, Nedu? Doc? Confirm if it is clear, Doc. We are moving on now to the next sentence. Nedu? Okay. Nsogbu adịghị, ezigbo enyi m. Who answered first? Okay. Princess says, nsogbu adịghị, ezigbo enyi m. Princess, you miss out something. Oh. Okay. Kenny Alex, nsogbu adịghị, ezigbo enyi m. Great work. Joy, nsogbu adịghị, ezigbo enyi m. Great work. Nedu, nsogbu adịghị, ezigbo enyi m. Good. Nnake, nsogbu adịghị, ezigbo enyi m. Nedu, okay. Chefuo, forget. Daalụ, yes, that is it. Great work. I love that. Let's see the marker screen. I think virtually all of you got it right. But let's mark our screen, our scripts rather. Let's mark now. But I believe all of you got it right. I believe so. I believe so. So mark your scripts. Look at the screen and mark your scripts. Wherever you got it wrong, correct yourself. Do your correction. Mark your scripts. Okay, mark your scripts now. Oh, it's like Dr. Blaney has not answered this question before I supplied the answer. Sorry about that. Maybe our network is lagging behind. Okay, but I'm conscious of time. I want to cover more. Okay, so please check what is on the screen against what you have written. If there's any correction that you need to make, do it now. Up till now, most of us have not liked this live stream at all. Most of us have not hit the like button for this live stream. I don't know why. I have only 2 likes here, where we are many here in class. Do us a favor, hit the like screen, hit the like button, maybe below, maybe above your window. I don't know where it is, so that YouTube can show this to more people. Who knows? They may join our membership. Okay. Okay, the meaning now. Nnaka is giving us the meaning. It's giving us the meaning now. Nsogbu adịghị, ezigbo enyi m. Nnaka is giving us the meaning. And what did he say? Nnaka has written the meaning. No problem. My family friend. Okay, let's see. Joy wrote, no problem, my good friend. Woo, Joy is the winner. Joy is the winner here. Nedu, no problem, my good friend. Nedu got it right too. Kenny Alex, no problem, my good friend. Correct? So Nnaka is not my family friend. It's my good friend. Ezigbo enyi m. Nsogbu adịghị, ezigbo enyi m. Okay, Dr. Blahi, your response came in late, but look at the screen for your correction. There's a little error in your write-up. Okay, Princess, no problem, my good friend. Correct. That is the meaning of that. That is the meaning of that. No problem, my good friend. Nsogbu adịghị, ezigbo enyi m. We'll move on to the next sentence. The person that you said nsogbu adịghị, ezigbo enyi m, he now say, oh, enwere m olileanya o. Enwere m olileanya o. That is the next sentence. Let's stop this. Enwere m olileanya o. The person who told you promised is the one that now said, enwere m olileanya o. Let's write it now. Princess has already written, enwere m olileanya o. Let me look very well. Olileanya o. Okay, good effort from Princess. What did Kenny write? Enwere m olileanya o. Great work, great work. Joy, enwere m olileanya o. Good work, good work. More of this. Who else is coming in? Enwere m olileanya o. Enwere m olileanya o. Those of you who have not hit the like button for this live class, me and I go fight. We go fight. Okay, let's go on. Joy has written, Princess has written, who else has written? Kenny Alex, where are the rest? Enwere m olileanya o. Enwere m olileanya o. Let's go. Right the way I said it. Enwere m olileanya o. Let's go. Who else is writing? Where are the rest? Nake, where are you? Where is Dr. Blahi? Where is Nedu, Dr. Nedu? Where are they? Okay, I have Princess, I have Kenny, I have Joy. Okay, Nedu is in. Enwerem olilanya o. Good one. Good one. Okay, Nake is in. Enwerem olilanya o. Okay, good one. Dr. Blahi, where are you? Where are you? Your response is coming late. Where are you? Enwerem olilanya o. Good one. Good one. About to mark our script. We are about to mark our script. We are about to mark our scripts. We are about to mark our script. Who else is coming in here? Okay, let's mark. Let's mark. Good. Enwere m olileanya o. So mark your scripts. Make corrections where necessary. But I think almost all of you got it right. Almost all of you. I don't know who actually missed it. Enwere m olileanya. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know who missed it. It appears all of you got it. Except that Nedu separated his Olilanya, but he didn't put hyphen in between, like the way I did my own. Okay? Nake, enwere m Olilanya o. Almost all of you got it. So what is the meaning of the sentence? Enwere m Olilanya o. Yes, let's go. What is the meaning? What does this sentence mean? Enwere m Olilanya o. What does it mean? What does it mean? Enwere m Olilanya o. Okay, Kenny said, I'm expecting, oh, that's good. Princess wrote, I have hope. Why are you putting question mark? It is not enwere m olileanya, it is enwere m olileanya, oh. It's a statement, not a question. Nake wrote, I hope so. I love that. Different versions for different people. That's great. I love the variety. I was not sure. Princess said, I was not sure. Okay. I have hope. Okay, you are asking me whether that is what it means. Yes, of course, I have hope. That's what it means. Okay. So I was not sure. Okay. Nakerut, I have hope. Oh, that's better. That's better. Nedum, Amaim, no problem. At least you have known now from other people. That's the beauty of a life class. You don't learn only from the teacher, you learn from your colleagues, you learn from everybody around. Okay? So Olilanya is hope, hope or expectation, but it's actually hope. So those who wrote, I have hope, oh, I'm expectant, oh, even Kenny Alex that wrote, I'm expectant, oh, is still correct. I'm expecting, I have hope. Okay? They are all correct. I have hope, oh, I have hope, oh. So Nedum, I hope it's clear now. You know the meaning now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Next sentence. We're moving. Okay. The friend now said, the friend now said, Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Let me stop this one. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Let's go. Who gets that first? Who is the sharp person here with sharp hand and sharp brain? Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Princess is on fire today. O kwechiri ekwechi. You no gree at all. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Princess on fire. Joy. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Kenny. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Great work. Great work. Nnake. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Nnake, you missed it somewhere. Nedudok. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Great. Dr. Blahi is missing in action. What is going on, doctor? Is it network that's holding you down? Okay. Who has not replied? Who? Almost all of you have replied. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Okay. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka. Oh, hey, better. Nnake, you know more than this now. You know, be young person for class. You be senior man. Okay. So, Those of you who have not clicked the like button for this live class, yeah, and I go fight to I no play. Oh. Okay, let's go on. Better do that now before I verse. I don't go verse anyway. I'm joking. Let's go. Aniga izuka ozo. Let's mark our scripts. Most of you have answered. You have answered. Aniga izuka ozo. Let's mark our scripts. Let's mark our scripts. We are working now. Good. We are there. Okay, please check up the screen. Make corrections where necessary. And if you got it, thumbs up to you. Thumbs up to you if you got it right. If you did not, make your corrections now. Okay, you are great people, smart guys and girls. Okay, please make your corrections. If you got it, thumbs up for you. And let's move on to Odimma Kodimbaho. Since you said, okay, we've not said the meaning. Sorry. Let's decode this one. Anigaho izuka ozo. Tell us the meaning. Let's shoot. Who will get it first? Who gets the meaning first? Shoot, shoot, shoot. What is the meaning of Anigaho izuka ozo? Let's go there. Shoot now. Who is giving all the response? Ezenwa Nake, you are senior students. Oh yeah, let's go. Nedu is also on fire. Okay, Kenny is not giving space at all. Kenny want to overtake senior students in this class. Kenny the verse, so okay, Kenny say we will see next week. Great. Nedu, we will go there. Mba Nedu. Is the one we will see next week. Better. Okay, Nake, where are you? Is that the same thing you are saying? We will see next week. Correct. That is the correct answer. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. We will see next week. No, I didn't put again there. Again is not there. Nake, again is not there. I simply said anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. It simply means we will see next week. No again there. If I say anyị ga-ahụ ọzọ, when you put again. Anyị ga-ahụ ọzọ izuụka ọzọ. That's when you put again. That or is ọzọ at the back is next week. Izuụka ọzọ. Izuụka is week. Ọzọ is the next one. Okay, let's go. That's settled. Let's go on. We are moving to the next sentence now. Okay, which is ọ dị mma ka ọ dị mgbe ahụ. Ọ dị mma ka ọ dị mgbe ahụ. Ọ dị mma ka ọ dị mgbe ahụ. Okay, let's go. Ọ dị mma ka ọ dị mgbe ahụ. Since you say we'll see next week, ngwan ọ dị mma ka ọ dị mgbe ahụ. Let's go. Shoot. Who is shooting first? Who is shooting first? Let's go there. Kenny Alex on fire. This guy wants to overthrow some people in this class. Ọ dị mma ka ọ dị mgbe ahụ. Great work. Great work. Onye na-ama ya aka n'ihu. Who is challenging Kenny? Nedu, ọ dị mma ka ọ dị mgbe ahụ. Nedu is on fire too. Nedu no gree. Nedu ekweghị ekwe. Kedu onye na-eme? Kedu princess? Okay, princess was actually the one that answered first. Okay, ọ dị mma ka ọ dị mma ahụ. Mba na princess ịda nke a. Ịda ya. Okay, joy, ọ dị mma ka ọ dị mgbe ahụ. Better. Princess is making correction. Ọ dị mma ka ọ dị mgbe ahụ. Okay, you had a problem with typo. Yes, I know. It's a typo. You wanted to make sure you answer it first, so you didn't check very well. That's great. I love that. Ọ dị mma ka ọ dị mgbe ahụ. Who has not answered this question? Nake has not answered this question. Ọ dị mma ka ọ dị mgbe ahụ. Nake has not come in with a response. Yes. Let me have Dr. Ablahi answering this question before I supply the final answer. Ọ dị mma ka ọ dị mgbe ahụ. going to mark now. I'm going to mark. I'm going to mark. I'm going to mark. Okay. I'm marking now. If you've not supplied your answer, do that. Okay, Naka is here. Oh, the ma. Mbano. You miss out something from what I said. Let's look at the screen now. Let's go there. This is what I said. Oh, the ma. So mark your scripts. Mark your scripts. Mark your scripts. If there's any way you miss it, correct yourself now. Oh, the ma. Some people didn't come to class today. Favor didn't come to class. Hannah, senior family member, didn't come to class. What happened? Okay. And okay. Mrs. Ozua has not come to class. I don't know why. All right. Good. Oh, the ma. Please mark your scripts now. Mark your scripts. Wherever there is error, correct the error now. Correct the error now. If you did not, if all you've written is very perfect with all the dots where they should be, then give yourself a thumbs up. Great work. Okay. What does this mean? What does this mean? What does it mean? Answer. Interpret. Princess on fire is fine. Goodbye until then. Okay, I hold it with my one hand. I wait for other people to respond. What did other people say? What did they say? What is the meaning? Let me hear you out. Keniales is fine. Let it be that time. Let the time agreed on. Okay, that is the time agreed on. Okay, it's fine. Let it be that time. Okay, okay. I hold it with one hand. Okay. Who else is saying something? Nnake. Odimma. Kodimba. Yeah, we've already passed that now. I'm asking for the meaning. You have written that before. Okay, you are correcting yourself. You wrote Odimma before. You are making your correction. That's fine. Correction taken. Now we have moved on from that. We are talking about the meaning of the word, of the sentence now. They do say it is fine, goodbye, till that time. Okay. Nake wrote, okay, I'm looking for the meaning of the sentence. Nake wrote, all right, then, until that time. Wow, great. Joy is where. Let it be then. I like all these variations. Very much ideas coming into this place. Let me check them one by one. Princess is fine. Goodbye. Until then. I didn't say goodbye. I only say kodimba. So it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Till then. Not goodbye. I didn't say kemesia. I only said kodimba. Let it be until that time. Or till that time. Let me go on to see who else. Kenny wrote, it's fine. Let it be that time. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. Okay, Nake wrote, Nedu wrote, is fine. Goodbye. Till that time. I didn't put goodbye at all. Nake, all right then. Until that time. That's okay. That's fine. Joy is well. Let it be then. That's fine. Fair, fair. All right. Let's go on. What are we saying again? Azụtara m ọtụtụ ihe n'ahịa taa. Especially women, they like to buy. They carry this here, they carry this one, they carry the other hand. So this, I'm sure it must be a woman. He's saying, Azụtara m ọtụtụ ihe n'ahịa taa. Let's go there. Azụtara m ọtụtụ ihe n'ahịa taa. Let's go. Ngwa, dee ya. Write it. Dee ya ọsịsọ. Dee ya ọsịsọ. Write it quickly. Azụtara m ọtụtụ ihe n'ahịa taa. Let's go. Right. Fire on. Azụtara m ọtụtụ ihe n'ahịa taa. Ngwan, Kenny Alex is here. Azụtara m ọtụtụ ihe n'ahịa taa. Okay, I'm waiting for the rest to write to respond to that. Azụtara m ọtụtụ ihe n'ahịa taa. Azụtara m ọtụtụ ihe n'ahịa taa. Joy is in. Azụtara m ọtụtụ ihe n'ahịa taa. Wow, great effort. Dr. Blahi, it's all right until then. It's okay. That's good. That's correct for the last sentence. Princess, azụtara m ọtụtụ ihe n'ahịa taa. Great work. Great work. Nedu, azụtara m ọtụtụ ihe n'ahịa taa. Great work. Nnake, azụtara m ọtụtụ ihe n'ahịa taa. This class is very hot. These guys are on fire. I tell you, not be small matter. Okay, let me see. Let me see who else is coming in. Azụtara m ọtụtụ ihe n'ahịa taa. I'm going to mark. I don't know whether any other person is coming in with any response, but I'm going to mark now. I'm going to mark now. I'm going to mark the script now. If you have not supplied your answer, do that now. I'm marking the screen, the script right away. Right. I mark. Look at the screen. Mark yourself. Correct yourself where necessary. Give yourself thumbs up. If you got it perfectly well, give your thumbs up. If not, correct yourself and update your record. Okay. Azụtara m ọtụtụ ihe n'ahịa taa. Do your correction, mark yourself, amend your sentence, and then let's move on to the next challenge. What does this mean? Interpret this sentence in English. Sụgharịa ahịrịokwu a n'asụsụ Bekee. Ngwanụ, Nnake is in. I bought many things at the market today. I don't know where A is coming in to that sentence. I don't know where it's coming from. Joy, I will buy many things in the market today. Joy, Nnake, I think he's making correction. Joy, okay. Princess, I bought many things in the market today. Whoa, Princess is on fire. Princess, I salute you. Kenny, I bought many things in the market today. Correct. Also, Princess got it first, followed by Kenny Alex. Let me see Joy's own. I bought many things in the market today. Correct. Correct. Nedu, I will buy. Mba. Not I will buy. I bought. Ansutaram. So you are beginning and spoil it already. So it is I bought, not I will buy. I will buy is agam azuta. That is I will buy. Agam azuta. This case is azutaram. Already bought. Okay. Let's go there. Next sentence. Okay. The next sentence is the question. And the question is ihe dịka gịnị na gịnị? Ihe dịka gịnị na gịnị ka ị zụtara? Even though I didn't put that one in the sentence. Ihe dịka gịnị na gịnị. I didn't want to make it too long. So let's go. Ihe dịka gịnị na gịnị. Princess is on fire. Princess is actually leading this class today. No doubt about that. Ihe dịka gịnị na gịnị. Question with the question mark. Fool. Princess. I salute. Kenny is challenging seriously. Ihe dịka gịnị na gịnị. Great one. Great one. Ihe dịka gịnị na gịnị. Great one. Joy is in. Ihe dịka gịnị na gịnị. Inwe iji ya. Kedu onye na-abịa? Who is coming again? Onye na-eso. Who is following? I have Princess first position, Kenny second, Joy third, Nedu is coming in fourth. Ihe dịka gịnị na gịnị. Great work. Some of you are coming in early, but network is holding you down. Yeah, I understand that. Network is holding you down. But I don't know why some of you refuse to give give this live stream a thumbs up. I don't know what I've done to you guys. What is the matter? Okay, I hope you are going to do it before the end of the class. Promise me that. Give it a thumbs up. Very important to us. Okay, please do that. Nedu wrote here again and again. Who else is coming in? I have Princess, Kenny, Joy, Nedu. Who else is writing? Ihedeka, gene na gene. Ihedeka, gene na gene. Who else is writing that now? Ihedeka, gene na gene. Yes, Nake. Ihedeka, gene na gene. Any other person coming in? If you are in the class, Mimi B, are you in the class? Mimi B, are you in the class? Please, if you are in the class, say yes, because I know you're always listening. You don't write. Mimi B, if you are in this class, indicate, say yes, I'm in the class. Mimi B, I'm expecting you in class. Mimi B, if you are in this class, say I am in the class. Just type I am in. Mimi B, I don't know your full name, but that is your YouTube name. Mimi B, please indicate if you are in the class. Dr. Blahin is saying, mention names because I don't know whether I have done it. I don't understand what you mean, Dr. Blahin. Whether you have done it. I don't know what you mean by I should mention names. Anyway, first of all, let's mark the script. Okay? Let's mark the script before we come back to mentioning names. Maybe that's what you wanted us to do. Okay? Let's mark the script first. Let's mark our script first. Then we come back possibly to mention name. Ihedeka, gene na gene. Okay? Like, but okay, Dr. Abla is talking about like button. Like button. Like button is to you need to hit the like button. I don't know whether it's under your YouTube window where you are watching this channel. Okay, it's under the screen. Some of them may be on top. I don't know where your own is. Okay, okay. So that's where you just touch that the hand up like this that it says thumbs up. You just click on it. Okay, to like the live class. That's what I mean. Okay. So the meaning of this now, we are talking about the meaning. And Princess has written things like what or things like what and what. That is the meaning of the sentence. Ihedeka, gene na gene, keni. Something like what and what. Yes, I agree with you. Something like what and what. Things like what and what. Both are correct. Yes, they do. What and what. What and what things. Okay? Kenny, something like what and what. Dr. Blahi, mention names that have not liked chat. Okay, that have not liked this chat. I don't know. I only have 3 likes here now. Only 3 likes. I don't know those who have clicked the like button. The system is not showing me those who have already clicked the like button. I'm only seeing 3 likes. But I don't know those who refuse to like this live stream. I don't know why they choose not to like it, whether it's not good enough or they are not knowing for me. I don't know. It's their choice. Okay, so these answers are correct. Things like what and what. That is the perfect answer. Or something like what and what. So Princess SN1 and Kenny Alex, both of you got the meaning of this sentence correctly. Things like what and what. Talking about the things you bought. Okay. So, and I'm going to mention some things we bought now, even though you can mention more, but you must write the ones I'm mentioning here now. Okay? Azutaram. Okay? Okay? Azutaram. It appears, oh my God, the class is coming to an end. This is 1 hour. Unfortunately, the battery of this phone is off. This computer is going off. So let me just give you Azutaram. Okay? Just write what you bought by yourself. Okay? What you bought. Just write Azutaram. Azutaram. Mention the things you bought. Azutaram. This, and that. Because I'm afraid I didn't bring the wire of this computer. Be writing that just in a moment. Be writing the things you bought. Write Azotaram. Start mentioning the items. Let me bring the code for this. I have to move the system. Yes. Back. So we're talking about things like what and what. What have you written? The things you bought. What did you write? Let me see the things you bought. I want to read the things you bought to Azutaram. Anu is Anu is you. Nake, you are enjoyment man. I know you. You are enjoyment man. Onyo Rikibu. It's a bit chop. Then what did you wrote? Okay, Nedu wrote Murosisi. Let me see. I want to go through it. Other one things. Okay, Dr. Blahi mention. Okay, Nake Astaram Aqua waiting. Okay, Aqua n'ahịa. Azụtara m akwa n'ahịa. That's what Nake wrote. What else? This one, Nedu wrote mkpụrụ osisi. Okay, Nake again wrote azụtara m anụ isi ewu, goat meat. Meat of goat head. That's good. Joy. Azụtara m efere ewu akpa. Is that osikapa na aqua? Ooh, Joy, you have plenty money. Oh. Dr. Blahi, Oka. What did Dr. Blahi write? Okay, maybe you want to write Dr. Blahi. I think you want to write that is footwear. Okay, okay. Kenny wrote Azotaram Oroma na Udara. Wow, you guys are too much. You bought so many things, so many things. Now that you bought so many things, what are you going to do? We're going to ask the next question. I don't want to mention the things you bought, but because you mentioned so many things, I don't want to go into mentioning names. And I'm not going to answer any question on that because everybody bought whatever he likes. So I cannot say anything there. Okay? So since you bought so many things, we'll discuss how do you carry them. So ole etu ị ga-esi buru ha niile. That's the next question. Ole etu ị ga-esi buru ha niile. That's the next sentence. Oh yeah, write it. Ole etu ị ga-esi buru ha niile. You bought so many things, you guys. So the question is, ole etu ị ga-esi buru ha niile. Write it now. Okay, Dr. Blahi, I know you wanted to write akpụkpọ, but let me put an answer. Let me share an answer where you can get the spelling of akpụkpọ, Dr. Blahi. Please look at this. Dr. Blahi, look at this. The spelling of that thing you want to write is here. Okay? Because I did it. Because look at this, Dr. Blahi. You see footwear there. Akpokwo is there. That is the first item I bought myself there. Did you see that? That is the first item I bought. Akpokwo footwear. Dr. Blahi, do you see the screen? Look at the spelling of what you wanted to write. It's there on the screen. Footwear. That is the first thing I bought myself. Okay? Is that clear, doctor? So there are other things there. Osikapa, akwa, ji, egusi, and the rest of them. Okay? Now, the next question is ole etu igesi buru hanile. Okay? Dr. Nedum have written that. Okay? Kenny, ole etu igesi buru hanile. Kenny has written princess. Ole etu igesi buru hanile. Great work. Great work. Who else is coming in? Who else? Dr. Nedum has written. Dr. Blahi has not written. Kenny has written. Princess has written. Who else is writing? Ole etu igesi buru hanile. Let's go. Let's go there. Yes. Ole etu igesi buru hanile. Joy. Ole etu igesi buru hanile. Ole etu igesi buru hanile. Good work. Is a question. Is a question. Yes. I didn't see Nnake has not written anything. Maybe it's still coming. Ole etu igesi buru hanile. Yes. I'm going to reply now. I'm going to answer now. Okay. I'm going to answer now. Okay. And this is the answer. This is the sentence. This should be the last sentence for today. I think we have done. Okay, stop sharing this one and then share the next one. Let me share the next one, which is this question. So mark yourself now. Mark yourself now, which is okay. Dr. Kenny is asking, what is dirigaba? Dirigaba. Okay, from that my own list. Yeah, that's very important. Dirigaba. Please let me go back to that previous answer I shared, my own items I bought, because Kenny is asking a very important question there. Please let me go back there. Let me go back there and share it, because Kenny is asking a very important. In fact, that was one of the reasons why I wrote my own sentence. I wrote my answer like that. I wanted to teach you how to write the meaning of derigaba, this derigaba here. So it's important. So that's what Kenny is asking me now. What is this derigaba here? Derigaba, what does it mean? How many of you know the meaning of derigaba? Can you answer it? Derigaba. Did anybody have idea of that? You have idea of what is derigaba? Anyone? Anyone? No one. No one. It means and so on. And so on. ETC. And so on. Derigaba. And so on. Kenny, do you get that? Kenny and everybody, did you get that? That's the main reason why I wrote that answer. I wanted to teach that derigaba. Is it clear? Did we get that? Please, I need your response. Did you get the meaning of derigaba? Did you get that? Okay. And so on and so forth. That's good. That's it. That's it. Okay. That's great. So I'm going to stop that sharing and share the last screen for today, which is the last answer here that we had. And that's all we're going to do today. We've already crossed 1 hour mark. We don't want to stay too long. Dr. will go for prayer very soon. So let's discuss the meaning of this sentence. What is the meaning of this sentence? Olee etu ị ga-esi bụrụ ha niile. What is the meaning? Yes, let's go. What is the meaning of the sentence? What is the meaning of the sentence? Olee etu ị ga-esi bụrụ ha niile. Give us the meaning. Kenny, how will you carry them all? Great work. Any other opinion? Any other opinion? Any other opinion? Yes. Any other idea? Olee etu ị ga-esi bụrụ ha niile. Yes. Meaning. Meaning. Any other opinion? How can you carry them all? Nake. Good one. Where is princess? Olee etu ị ga-esi bụrụ ha niile. Yes. Yes. Anyway, those two responses are correct. Kenny, how will you carry them all? That is absolutely perfect. How will you carry them all? Then, Nake, how can you carry them all? Is also correct. Okay? So I want to ask this question as we're running up. How many of us have, I saw that many of us have not joined our Telegram group. Let me also ask, how many of us have been able to access our text for the month, like the free ebook and other packages? If you know you have got your free ebook for the month, can you indicate? Say, I've got my book. Okay? Say, I have got my book. If you have done that, can one use Ole Otu? Ole Otu. Otu seems to look like group, association, or gathering of people. That is Otu. It doesn't really go very well. Okay? Okay, Nnake is asking, how will he get his book? Because I saw that many of you have not joined our Telegram group. You've not gotten your book for the month and some other benefits. You are not enjoying them. If you don't know how to do that, please, you hold on now, because I'm going to play a video now for 5 minutes on how to get your specs, settled, how to get it, how to access them. Please don't go off. Just hold on. Let's do that now. Please don't go off. I'm going to share the screen now on that. Okay. Please hold on. Let's do it, because many of us are in this membership, but we are not enjoying the benefit yet, because we have not done what we are supposed to do. So right now, I want to show you how to do that. So don't go off. Let's do that now. Okay? Are you hearing anything? Please indicate if you are hearing what is being said. Yeah, I believe you all had that, and then I believe it's clear enough. For those of you who stayed to listen to that, do you know how to get your text now? How to get your book? Is it clear now? Dr. Blahi, Nake, did you get that now? Is it clear? How to get your book? Do you know how to get it now? Dr. Blahi, is it clear now? How you have to join the Telegram group? How to do that is clear now. How to get your book is clear now. Can you do that now? Is it clear? So I hope you guys will join the Telegram group now. Mba, I don't hear anything. What? You did not hear anything? Nake says he did not hear anything. Is it true that nobody hear anything? Kenny, did you hear anything? Did you hear any audio, any audio played? There was no audio. Oh, there was no audio. Oh, there was no audio. Ah, is that true? Kenny, did you? Okay, Kenny, you have already joined this group. You have already gotten your book, but Nake is saying there was no audio. Okay, if you say there was no audio, um, I can take you through that directly here. Okay, if you say there was no audio, I don't know why there was no audio, but that is not a problem. Just hold on. Let's do it together. Okay. Are you still there, Nake? Are you still there? Because I want to go through it with you directly. Okay. If you are still there, I'm sharing the screen now, and this is YouTube. And then I open the YouTube. Please, Nake, confirm that you are seeing what I'm doing now. I want to be sure you're seeing and hearing me now. Are you hearing me? Nake, confirm you are hearing me. Are you hearing me? Are you following what I'm doing now? Nake, are you still there? Dr. Blahi, are you hearing me? You say you did not hear what was said. The audio was not audible. I want to go through it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. So I go back to that now. So this is YouTube. I go to the bar. I want to go to the homepage of the Igbo tutor. I go to the Igbo tutor. Okay. Scroll down to locate the Igbo tutor. This is the Igbo tutor. I click on it. Okay. And then it takes me to my homepage. This is the Igbo tutor homepage, right? You see the tabs here: home, video, short, live, this and that. You go to membership. You see here membership. Click on membership. I'm using laptop. If you are using computer phone, it will be different in the display. This is membership. This tab for membership. Then here you see the Igbo family. That is the title of your membership. Here you see show PEC info. If you are using laptop, you click on this to display the PECs that you are to enjoy as a member of the channel or this YouTube channel. If it is phone you are using, it will not show this way. It will show boxes. One box you will say display PECs. Okay, see PECs below. You see boxes that say one is members only live stream, one is another one, and things like that. Priority reply to text message. Once you click on any of the boxes, it will display the rest. But with computer, it is displayed this way. So you see the PECs. Number one, the badge, which is the blue badge against all of our names now. That is the first thing to have. You scroll down. The next is learners group on Telegram. You will see an instruction below it that says you click the link below to join the group. This is the link here, right? I click on the link now. You will see here that there is an instruction here to say join group. This is the Telegram group, the Igbo family. But it's possible you don't have Telegram in your phone already or computer. You don't have the app, or you've not opened Telegram before. So you go here and download Telegram app if you have not, and then sign in officially and register, and then come back and join here. Okay? I hope that is clear. That is how to join. This Telegram group is so important because it is here where we have discussions on anything that has to do with membership. Want to change your book that we're giving for the month or whatever it is, where we do it. So you must belong to this group. Let's go back to the PEC. After joining this Telegram group, you scroll down again. What do you have below? This is priority reply to comments. When we see the blue badge against your name, we'll reply to whatever comment you make under any of our videos or any request you make. We move on down again. You see members only live stream. That's the one we are doing now, or similar one before. You see a link below here. It's a link to the forthcoming live stream. Okay, you can join live stream directly from here by clicking this link, or even previous ones. Now you go down again, you see free ebook plus audiobook monthly. This is where to get your book. You will see down here, instructions say click on the link below to get your ebook. Now, this is the link to get your book. You just click on this link, it will open your book for you. This is the book we've offered for the month. That is last month. We're going to give another one this month. So if you have not taken this one for last month, take it now, because we're going to take it down very soon and replace it. So this is the book. You come here, which is download. This is it here. Download to download your book into your phone or computer, as the case may be. If you already have this book, it is in that Telegram group, you're going to explain that you already have this book that we are giving for the month. You need another one. Then we will guide you on how to get a replacement for the book in case you already have that book. Go back to the PEC. You will see below previous videos that, live stream videos that we had before. You see them displayed under. So you can click on any of them you've not watched before and watch. Or you can also join the forthcoming live stream from here directly. This is the one we're having now here. So if you are a senior family member, there will be another PEC displayed below this one, which will say contact the Igbo tutor privately or personally. So this is how to get all your PECs as a member of the channel. Don't miss out on any of them. Coming to live stream alone is not enough. You need to get other benefits that are already prepared for you. Thank you. So I stop sharing now. Okay. I want to come back to class now. And then let's see how many of us that get all I explained very well. You see the problem? When you're explaining what is important, some people will just leave. And the next time they say they didn't know anything, they didn't hear anything. You ask them to wait to explain things, they will not wait. But they will not, achieve that goal. They will not know that particular thing. They will still not want to do that. In our last class, I asked us to wait to explain this. Many of us walked away and we didn't do what we're supposed to do up till now. But let me ask, is it clear now for those of you who waited? Is it okay now? Did you understand how to get your book and how to do other things you need to do as a member? Is it clear? Is it clear now? Can you confirm? Yes, can you confirm? Is it clear? I want to believe it's clear. Nake, do you get it? Crystal clear. Very well. Nake, can you confirm you got what I explained? Are you still there? Nake has not responded. Is it okay? Yeah, I believe. If you are still in the class, I believe it's clear. But I wanted to confirm you are still in the class, that you follow through. Okay? So, on that note, we want to thank everybody for coming to class today. Please go through all we have done and prepare for next class. Read your books up. Don't just buy them, get them. These books are, expensive. Some of them will sell them 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. So when you get them on a platter, make sure you go through them. It has downloadable audio in it. You can download the audio, you listen and go through it. So they are prized books. So don't just get them for getting sake. Go through them. Thank you for, being here. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for learning with us. We appreciate you guys. Kemesia, see you next Saturday. Love you all. Kemesia. Okay.